Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. I do appreciate you all and I hope you are doing great by the grace of God. Today, family, on our menu we have a simple Ghanaian dessert or snack called Ofam or spiced plantain cake. It's so easy to make, it's so very nutritious, the kids love it. In fact, everybody loves it. Without further ado, let's get to the kitchen. Let me introduce you to my amazing ingredients as we begin shortly with our baking. Okay, so these are my amazing ingredients. I have got my white onion, scotch bonnet pepper, I've got my scallions and my washed overripe plantain. I'm using four. I've got my all-purpose flour, I've got my zumi palm oil, peanut butter or groundnut paste. I've got my black peppercorns, grain of psyllium, cloves, aniseed, and star anise seeds for my seasonings. Okay, this is simple, quick, and easy snack or dessert recipe that the family will love. So go nowhere as I take you through my simple steps and my simple recipe. So I'm peeling off the skin of all the four plantains and then I will grind them with the eta or my grinder or my crusher or however you want to say it, okay? Because I know it's eta, I don't know the English name for it. So let me know if you know it in the comment section below, alright? Thank you. So this was something that we used to enjoy back in the day as our dessert or our snack dish. But these days we don't do it anymore. It's not even in the system. But guys, hey, let's use our platforms to bring back our old healthy way of eating and cooking style back, okay? So I'm going to crush it until it's all smooth out. You can leave some bits in it if you like or make it smooth as you want it. As smooth as possible, okay? You can as well use the stainless steel mashing or crushing tool to do it if that's what you have available, okay? Just like this, and you are good to go. But I'm still going to use the wooden one to do it because I'm used to that, and yes. So I'll take this one back. I'll just show you guys if that's what you have available, just use it, okay? Mostly when you finish grinding it, you scoop it out on a plate or in a bowl and then you grind your seasonings and your vegetables, okay? But today I'm going to push this on the side like this and then I'll grind my seasonings and vegetables on the side, okay? Just like this and it's fine. So I've added my natural seasonings and they are black peppercorns, star anise seeds, cloves, grain of psyllium. I've added my white onions, I've added my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and now my scallions. I'm going to grind them on the side for some time before I mix it together with the mashed plantain and grind them together. I'll make sure they are grinded nice and smooth, okay? Because I don't want the bits of the seasonings in them. At this point, you want to add salt to taste and make sure it's not too much. You grind to mix them together nicely until it's well and evenly distributed. Okay. This tastes and smells great already. I'm going ahead to add my peanut butter or groundnut paste. Add it to your taste and preference, but not too much, okay? Amazing. Again, you grind to mix it together until it's well distributed. At this point, I'm going to add my flour and it's all-purpose flour. You can as well use the cassava flour or kunkunte, okay? And I'm using 4 tablespoonfuls of the all-purpose flour, okay? And 1 tablespoon is to 1 plantain. Okay, so 1:1. That's how I'm doing the measurement, and it's going to be fine. The texture of your plantain will determine how much flour you use. Okay, my plantain wasn't too soft, and you all saw that. Okay, that is why I'm using 1 tablespoonful of flour to 1 plantain each. Assuming it was too soft and overripe, I would have used 1.5 tablespoonful to each plantain. I hope it's clear here. So now for color and for flavor, I'm adding my zomi palm oil, and it smells so good, guys. Now mix it together nicely until it's well distributed and colorful, just like this. I love the aroma so heavily right here in my kitchen right now. I've added my colors. As I always say, I eat with my eyes. I've added my green and red bell peppers. And now, guys, please don't grind it. Just mix it together. Don't grind it, okay? So watch me do it. I'm just mixing it and not grinding. Yes. Do it nicely, beautifully, and patiently. In fact, the kids will love it. Not only the kids will love it, everybody will love this. Now I'm going to grease my pan with the palm oil so that it doesn't get stuck when it's baked, okay? This palm oil tastes and smells great. So make sure to use palm oil that tastes great because it's a plus for me here. Amazing. And now the tin is well greased, so I'm adding my mashed plantain, my spice mashed plantain to it, and it will go straight into the oven to be baked. Okay, so right now as I'm doing this, my oven is preheating nicely. I love this. Hey family, have you liked the video yet? Have you commented on the video yet? Do you like this recipe? Is it amazing? Is it new to you and you love it? Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, okay? And don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if it's your first time, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to join this amazing family. So now I'm sprinkling some peanuts on the mashed plantain, the spiced mashed plantain. And yes, we are back from the oven for the first time. Let's check if it's ready. Wow. And this snack or dessert goes so well with peanuts. It's not ready, so guys, it's going back into the oven, and we will be back in few minutes time, okay? So we are back finally, and it looks so yummy. It looks so beautiful. It's so ready. I love the aroma. I love it. Can you see that? I love it. It's not too hard. Look at that. I love the texture of it. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. And I love the aroma. It's everywhere. It tastes so great. It's simple, quick, easy snack dish or dessert. The kids will love it. Give this a try and bring me the feedback. For more of these videos, family, please follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Take care. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Kiss.